Have you ever clicked on a video without even reading the title? That's the power of thumbnail. And here's what nobody tells you. The creators making insane click-through rate aren't using Photoshop or any other software. They are using AI. Yes, AI to generate thumbnails that stop you scroll and explode the views in minutes. No design skills, no paid tools, just one trick the most people still don't know. In this video, we will discuss how it works. I'll show you exactly how it's done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Does It AI, the channel where we explore smart tools to help you create faster, better, and smarter. Today, I've got something a little different, but super useful. If you're a content creator like me, you know how important a thumbnail is. It's the first thing your viewers see, and a good one can literally make a break on your video. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best free software I have found for making high quality YouTube thumbnails in just minutes, and it's called Vidic.com. Vidic Thumbnail Generator. Yes, Vidic.com, the same platform many of us already use for SEO and video optimization, as a built-in thumbnail maker, and it's surprisingly very good. Okay, so let's talk more. Basically, YouTube is a visual platform, and thumbnails are the first chance to grab attention and drive clicks. A thumbnail that looks clean, bold, and clickable can boost your CTR, which means more views, more watch time, and fast channel growth. Why Vidic? Because it's built especially for YouTube creators. Okay, unlike Canva or Photoshop, Vidic's thumbnail tools is lightweight, web-based, and doesn't require any design skills. You can add text, adjust font size, change color, and even erase anything from the image, and even upload screenshots or overlays. What I love the most is how it gives you YouTube friendly dimensions and lets you see what your thumbnail might look like on mobile or desktop. There's also some cool features I will love about Vidic.com. Okay, so then quickly walk out how it works. Okay, first step, go to Vidic.com and log in with a free account. It's absolutely free. You can also log in from the link description below. For the channel, secondly, for the dashboard, go to the thumbnail generator tab. Okay, then upload a screenshot from your video or choose a frame directly from your video if you are linked to your channel. Okay, there is an option you can connect your YouTube channel, and it's also a new Chrome extension. Okay, so it's best for normal use and YouTube channel content creators. Moving forwards, it has bold text, adjust fonts, use backgrounds, blur, highlight effect, and number of many useful ideas. So there you have it. It's a free, simple, and shockingly effective way to create thumbnails using AI. No more wasting time designing from scratch. No more overthinking your visuals. Just small tools doing the heavy lifting. So you can focus on what really matters, your content. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Does It AI for more tools that save time, boost creativity, and make you look like a pro. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep creative, smarter. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.